Hello, and welcome to Inner Vitality. Today, we will talk about something many people suffer from but don't understand clearly. It's nerve weakness. When your nerves become weak, your body and mind stop working the way they should. You feel tired, anxious, forgetful, or even shaky. Many people take medicines, but those only hide the problem. Today, I will show you natural ways to heal and strengthen your nerves using simple foods, habits, and home remedies. So please stay with me until the end. Your body will thank you for this. Our nerves are like tiny wires that carry messages from our brain to every part of our body. They help us move, feel, think, and even sleep. When your nerves are weak, these messages get confused or blocked. You may feel tingling, numbness, or pain in your hands or feet. You may find it hard to concentrate or remember things. Your sleep may be poor and your mood may feel low. But don't worry, nature has simple answers. Let's first understand why nerves become weak. The most common reason is lack of vitamin B12. This vitamin is food for your nerves. Without it, your nerves become dry and weak. The second reason is stress. When you feel worried, nervous, or under pressure, your body releases chemicals that hurt your nerves. Third is poor diet. Eating too much junk food, sugar, or oily food damages your nervous system. Fourth is not sleeping enough. Nerves need rest to repair. Fifth is sitting all day and not moving your body. Blood does not flow well and your nerves do not get energy. Now let us talk about the natural ways to make your nerves strong again. First, eat more foods that are rich in vitamin B12. These include eggs, fish like salmon, chicken, milk, yogurt, and cheese. If you are a vegetarian, take vitamin B12 supplements or eat fortified foods like cereals. Every morning, drink warm milk with a few soaked almonds. This is a great start for your nerves. Second, reduce your stress. I know life is busy, but if your mind is always full of worry, your nerves suffer. Try to sit quietly for 10 minutes every day. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Do this daily. It will help your nerves feel relaxed and calm. Third, eat foods that repair nerves. These include almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, spinach, bananas, oats, and turmeric milk. You can also make a special nerve drink. Soak 5 almonds, 2 walnuts, and 1 fig overnight. In the morning, peel the almonds and blend all with warm milk. Drink it daily. It gives amazing power to your nerves. Fourth, avoid bad foods. White sugar, soft drinks, fried snacks, and processed foods all damage your nervous system. Try to eat more natural and fresh food. Your body needs clean fuel to work well. Fifth, take ashwagandha. This is a powerful Indian herb that calms your nerves, reduces anxiety, and helps you sleep. Mix 1 teaspoon ashwagandha powder in warm milk and drink before sleep. Continue for 15 days. You will feel a big difference. Sixth, try Brahmi. Brahmi is another herb that improves memory and brain power. It also makes your nerves stronger. You can drink Brahmi tea or take Brahmi capsules. This is very helpful if you feel confused, slow, or weak in the brain. Seventh, drink enough water. Your nerves need water to carry signals. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. It also removes toxins that hurt your nerves. Carry a water bottle if needed. Eighth, move your body. Do light walking or yoga for 20 minutes daily. Movement helps blood reach your nerves. Try simple yoga poses like cobra pose, child's pose, and legs up the wall pose. These are very relaxing for your nervous system. Ninth, sleep well. Deep sleep repairs your nerves. Try to sleep at the same time every night. Avoid mobile phones before sleeping. Drink turmeric milk or chamomile tea before bed. Make your room dark, cool, and quiet. Good sleep is medicine for your nerves. 10th, try an Epsom salt bath. Epsom salt contains magnesium. When you soak in warm Epsom salt water, your muscles and nerves relax. Use 1 cup Epsom salt in a warm bath and soak for 15 minutes twice a week. You will feel light and relaxed. 11th, use sesame oil massage. Warm some sesame oil and gently massage your feet, hands, and back before bed. It improves blood flow and helps you sleep better. Your nerves love this kind of care. 12th, eat more magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium supports nerve function. Eat spinach, dark chocolate, beans, seeds, and avocados. These foods help your nerves stay calm and healthy. So friends, these are some simple but powerful ways to fix nerve weakness at home. You don't need expensive treatment. Just follow nature's way. Eat well, sleep well, breathe deeply, move your body, use herbs and massage. Your nerves will become strong and you will feel peace again. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Inner Vitality. Every week we bring you natural health tips that are easy to follow and safe for your body. See you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.